Purple.
Yay!
Okay, where do you go, John?
Oh, over here.
No, you go this way. This way, John. Forward. Towards the Santa Claus man. Okay, Lachlan.
Oh, he saw me.
You got a blue.
Yay!
Look at me, I count.
Yep, I see you. Pick a card and clap. Yay! 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 Say yay, Lachlan! Yay! Yay! Yay!
Where's the green? Yep, right there. Look, Lachlan. You got two blues. Two blues. One, two.
Yay!
Okay, John. Your turn.
Today is August 31st. It's Sunday. They're just playing Candyland and Lachlan's
Let me see.
learning to clap
got
on
the
command with
gingerbread
Candyland. Yay!
Where's the gingerbread man?
Yay! Yay!
Where's that?
Moving right here.
Lachlan's 9 months old yesterday.
Okay, my turn.
Hans is still 30 and Johnny's almost 4 in October.
What did I get?
Yay!
The lollipop. Yay!